The International Criminal Court has just issued an arrest warrant for Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu for alleged crimes against humanity and war crimes. The ICC also issuing warrants for Israel's former defense minister and the military chief of Hamas. Let's go right to NBC correspondent Raf Sanchez in Tel Aviv. Raf, walk us through these allegations in the arrest warrants and what reaction we've seen from Netanyahu.
So, Anna, this is a real bombshell from the International Criminal Court, the ICC. They are saying that having studied the evidence presented to them by prosecutors, there are reasonable grounds to believe that both Netanyahu and Israel's former defense minister Yoav Gallant committed war crimes in Gaza. Specifically, they are accusing these two leaders of using starvation as a weapon of war by blocking humanitarian aid to Palestinian civilians. And they are saying that in some cases, Israel deliberately attacked Palestinian civilians inside of Gaza. So this means Netanyahu is now in a lonely club, along with Vladimir Putin, of major world leaders who are wanted by the International Criminal Court for war crimes. Netanyahu is denouncing this, as he is calling it, an anti-Semitic decision by a corrupt prosecutor, by biased judges. I want to read you just a little bit of a statement that his office put out earlier today. They say no anti-Israel resolution will prevent the state of Israel from protecting its citizens. Prime Minister Netanyahu will not give in to pressure, will not flinch, and will not withdraw until all the war goals set by Israel at the start of the campaign are achieved. Practically, Anna, it is very unlikely that we are going to see Netanyahu in handcuffs in the dock at the International Criminal Court in The Hague in the Netherlands anytime soon. But this does mean that Netanyahu may not be able to travel to countries that are signed up to the ICC. So that is the UK, France, Germany, all of Western Europe. He could still travel to the United States. We are hearing from the White House. They are saying that they fundamentally reject this decision by the ICC to move ahead with arrest warrants. We're likely to hear something similar from the Republican side. Some Republican senators have talked about sanctioning the chief prosecutor if he moved ahead with these warrants. But this is a major, major moment in this year-long plus war.